In front of me is Motorola Edge 70, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Trust me, I tested it. Here, tap on this section: Passwords, Passkeys, and Accounts. Then choose Open under Google and hit Google Password Manager right away. Now you can add any password instantly by hitting Add Password option in Accounts section. If you can't see any of those options though, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible and add passwords manually from here, you need at least one. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on and log in into any app with an account, like Facebook or any website. Then you will see a pop-up. You need to hit Save in Google Password Manager pop-up, and this way your password will appear here. Now to add any other one, choose Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!